Hari Om and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. This is Yamuna Devi. Thank you. Hari Om. I'm so happy today. I have a very special topic, and I pray that this topic can support you and your life and your well being and give you a little understanding of how to improve the quality of your life. This is the only life, the current life, the life that we're experiencing as a human being is very precious. This life is a gift. This life is so precious. And it is our choice on how we want to live it, how we choose to live our life. The choice is ours. Sometimes we choose to live frustrated, angry, upset, nervous, with resentment, with hatred, envy, jealousy, all these negative emotions that only deplete us from what we're really looking for on living our life, how we want to live our life. These things deplete our energy. And what is that? We want to live joyfully. We want to live happy. We want to live a fulfilled life. That is how we want to live. We want to enjoy this experience as a human being. But we are not mindfully making that choice. We are allowing our thoughts to be easily disturbed. We are allowing our emotions to easily be disturbed and to allow us to come out of balance, to deplete that source of happiness, to deplete that source of peace, to deplete our joy that is within us. Our peace, our joy is within us, and it is non-negotiable. Do not negotiate your peace of mind for any circumstance. Everything gets solved in the end. Every situation gets solved, and just worrying feeds that negativity. It doesn't solve it, it doesn't give it a solution. We are not observing the situation. We are not witnessing the situation to give an answer to it, to have a proper solution to it, because we are not allowing it to be. We are trying to control it. We are trying to control the solution, but we are not allowing it so that we can see and find the answer. The answers are already there, but we are trying to control it. And then we suffer. We suffer because we have a certain expectation, because we are expecting a certain end result, and we are not receiving that end result. Or we are having a certain expectation of someone, and we are not seeing their results, their behavior. So we suffer. And again, why do we suffer? Because we are not utilizing our awareness, our complete awareness, and being mindful of where our energy is flowing. Where is my thought flowing? Where is my emotion flowing? Am I being mindful to understand and aware to understand, to just see the screen, just seeing every action, everything like a performance, and witnessing it? But we are engaging too deep into it that we lose ourselves, we lose our energy, we deplete ourselves. So it's very important to just pause, to disengage with everything that is happening. Move away from it a little bit and witness it, observe it. Take some time alone to observe the whole situation in its entirety. And we also have to ask ourselves, am I behaving from a trauma I've had? Is it a traumatic response? Am I responding from a place of pain and hurt? Am I responding from the ego, from my need to control, to have things my way? From what space am I behaving from? Do I need to allow space to a situation, space to a person, a relationship, to allow things to unfold in the way it needs to, without sacrificing my peace, without sacrificing my happiness? Does that make sense? Take time and observe and witness. Everything has an answer in the end. Sometimes it just evolves and the answer comes, the solution comes. Pray. Prayer is powerful. But mankind wants to control the results. And we cannot control anything in the end. That's what many people don't understand. And there is where we sacrifice our happiness, where we sacrifice our peace, where we sacrifice our peace of mind, our mental, emotional well-being. And once we get pulled into that emotion, that feeling, that anger, we get drained of our own energy because we allowed it, because we engaged in that emotion. So it is important to pause. That is why I repeat, being mindful. And practice awareness. Practice a little meditation, 5 minutes a day. Just observe, witness the breath. Observe the thought. Take a walk alone. Feel nature. Feel the breath. Feel your steps. Feel your being. Feel that this life that you have been gifted is the most precious gift. And the choice of how you want to live it is in your hands. It is in your hands. No one can make you happy. Your happiness is within you. So if no one can make you happy, don't allow others to make you unhappy either. And no one can make you unhappy. You are the one that makes the choice to become unhappy. No one can feel unhappiness for you. You feel unhappiness because it has been your choice to feel that way. So when a situation that tries to bring you out of your harmony, out of your space of peace and joy and happiness comes, just observe it, witness it, and see yourself. Sometimes we continue in that pattern, but know that that is not yours. That problem is not yours. It doesn't belong to you. And it will get solved how it needs to. Sometimes other people have their issues. Sometimes other people come with their trauma and their drama, right? Their daily trauma. I call it drama because Because it's daily things, right? Daily triggers that can activate their trauma. And you will notice it. They can pull tantrums. Even being an adult, they behave like a child because it's their inner wounded child that is coming about and they're behaving in that manner. So when you see that, don't judge. Hold space for that person because they are talking from a space of hurt. And the easiest way to try to get rid of that hurt, but it doesn't get rid of it, is by hurting others, by causing pain to others, because pain feeds off of pain. So, but if on the other end, the person is mindful and strong and understands that that's not their pain to carry, that it's the other person's pain, then they don't get engaged and then there's no pain to feed off of. So what will happen is they can get even more angry and enraged. But you pray for them, hold silent space, just witness, just observe, and keep your center. Keep your center, keep your space, and honor, respect, and hold your peace because you are important. Your peace is important. Your peace, your well-being, your joy. Don't use your life mindlessly. Use your life mindfully. Be aware. Live your life joyfully. Laugh. Be happy. And do not negotiate your peace of mind. It's not worth it. So try to practice. Work on witnessing yourself. Understand if you react, is it from the ego? Is it from a space of hurt? Did they trigger something in me, some past hurt that rubbed the wrong way and I reacted and I lost my peace of mind? Like, these are so many things that we can help ourselves and support ourselves as well. And this whole life, we're learning. We're learning, and it's a process. And it's a beautiful process. Just be patient. You will see the light at the end of the tunnel, and you will enjoy your life, and you will understand not to let things affect you. Just like children, children play, have fun. They can get upset for a moment, but they let it go. They forgive. They don't hold on and don't carry that weight of that pain. They just let it go. So, and then they forget, and then they play again. They play with the people, the children. They have fun. They get upset with their friends. They have fun again. Be like a child, innocent. And be true to yourself. And love yourself. Appreciate yourself. Honor yourself. Respect yourself. And put yourself first. Honor yourself. You are deserving. You deserve love. You deserve self-love. You deserve to respect yourself and to appreciate yourself. So choose to love yourself. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I honor you. I respect you. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sending you lots of love, good wishes, and prayers. Thank you. Hari Om.